Kani gadega pati CCTV, bat pidang pek yaki kubor baman kasni.
Shibanta na kajipun kre yak election MLA kaban salong shen hakani kajila Meghalaya u Chief Election Commissioner jongkari India u Om Prakash Rawat hanin kasngi ka khandreu torek urampang ulawan yu kajat hakani kanong ba shilong hakabau laikan do ikihe jongkatnat election hakani kajila kantop yu Chief Electoral Officer banyakaran halor kajipun kre yakani election kaban long kabayat be yaranti klam kino kijing penton hakani kajingwan u shakani kajila hanin kasngi ka khandreu toreng u Om Prakash Rawat ulai kando ru ikinong pathai khubor ha hotel Pinewood Shillong ubalakran japang kajipun kre yakani election MLA kaban salong ha karpnyo toreng mentau banai rampang habakaran hakinong pathai khubor uneu Chief Election Commissioner jongkari India ulapan pau kajingkermen bakani ke election mentau snamru kanlong kabaya be yaranti klem kino kijing penton kumjo hakajala Tripura ban Nagaland shushu habakaran hakinong pathai khubor u Om Prakash Rawat ulapan paru yaki kaptu kan neki kendon bat kijing perkheng jong ka election commission kari India dak bakaran saru bakajing simrai daki dorbas nang ban kersan ya uno ne kano kertong ne ka sang san partai kalong ka babean.
Commission would like to underline that Commission treats media as its most important ally in strengthening democracy and ensuring purity of electoral rolls and free, fair and credible elections. Therefore, we always announce all our polling schedules, all our initiatives through the media to reach the common man. Now, I would like to take up the concerns of the political parties. Mainly, their concerns were hate speeches on religious lines. Then they flagged the issue of residual militancy in Garo Hills area, some apprehension of movement of militants in that area, and suggested to take necessary preventive measures. Then they wanted that commissions, police observers and general observers should take a proactive role in police deployment to make it more effective. Then about model code of conduct, parties wanted that the government machinery should work without taking sides. That should be ensured. And they also demanded action on attempts of dividing the electorate by launching personal attacks against rival leaders during the election campaign. I am happy to inform you that last meeting we had in December with the political parties, at that time some parties had serious doubts about the credibility of the electronic voting machines, but the same parties this time were very happy, very satisfied that with voter verifiable paper audit trail and extensive awareness campaign launched by our CEO in whole of the state of Meghalaya, they have developed enormous faith in this system. One of the parties said about time management that since VVPAT is now there, it takes 7 seconds for that slip to be visible to every voter. But then it was explained by our Deputy Commissioner who looks after EVMs also, that generally EVM takes around 14 to 15 seconds for a ballot to be completed. And this 7 seconds, most of it is subsumed in that 14 to 15 seconds. Only 2 seconds extra will be taken. So there is no issue of any time delay. As regards expenditure monitoring, political parties wanted that action should be taken against misuse of money. It should be checked effectively. About electoral roll, not many suggestions or issues were raised. they were only concerned that sometimes when voters are in queue in front of the polling station, some parties try to delay or influence the voters in the queue. Some parties had issues regarding Subidha, that permissions for holding public meetings. There was a delay in giving permissions, or they find it difficult to get NOCs from village councils and then submit all the documents to the RO's single window system. One party suggested that as alternative proof of identity of voter, Commission issues notification that there are 14 such documents like driving license and passport. In that same breath, the MLA certificate is also there. They wanted that they should not be there because this is a political activity where MLAs etc. may act partisan and may issue identity certificate without due verification. Commission assured the representatives of political parties to ensure that all their suggestions will be taken care of, and Commission will ensure a smooth conduct of entire polling process in free, fair and neutral manner. Now, I take up issues regarding electoral rolls. As you all are aware that elections in whatever year are held, the electoral roll as on the 1st January of that year, that is relevant for that election. So, as on 1/1/18, the electoral rolls had 18,44,785 general electors. No, total electors. And out of this, 18,42,163 general electors and 2,621 service electors. The most important aspect here is that 89,045 are the first time voters in the 18-19 age cohort, which is the best in the country, I believe. Almost 4.5%. In other states it is hovering somewhere between 1 to 2.2. Out of this, 9,12,849 are males and 9,29,314 are female. That is another singular aspect to Meghalaya, that female voters is larger than the male voters. Now, past elections, if you compare, Legislative Assembly election 2013, total voters were 15.03 lakhs. And Lok Sabha election, total voters were 15.65 lakhs. Now it is 18.44 lakhs. Then percentage of photo coverage, that is photo electoral roll, is 100%. APIC coverage is also 100%. Final electoral roll is displayed on CEO's website and copies have been given to all the political parties, national and state level. The final roll was published on 10th January and continuous revision supplement published on 8th of February. Summary revision of last part of electoral roll concerning service voters was published on 15th January. Total 2,621 service electors. Commission directed to ensure that postal ballot system be as per established norms for poll duty as well as for service electors, electronically transmitted postal ballot system. Distribution of photo voter slip is a very important aspect of polling process because many electors may lose their photo ID or something. So, Election Commission distributes these photo voter slips 5 days before the poll. And these are treated as ID proof for all the electors. Now, number of polling stations, there are total 3,083. Out of which 3,082 are main and one is auxiliary. Auxiliary polling station is set up when number of voters goes up. beyond 1200 because our VVPAT has a limitation that so many slips only in that paper roll can come. So as soon as the number of voters increases in the polling station, we set up another auxiliary polling station to have a separate machine for that. Then voter assistance booths will be set up at every polling station, because as you may be aware that if parties or candidates set up their voter booths to assist voters, the expenditure will be added to the candidate's expenditure account, and therefore Election Commission is making this arrangement to help them, that they need not set up those booths.